Welcome back. CMH Plane Spotting is an urgent message. We are under tornado warning. Capturing lightning. You can hear the sirens in the background. And the thunder. It's an urgent. We got a possible wedge tornado outbreak on the ground here. Hear the siren. I am upstairs right now in my house, because it's not heading for me. But there was apparently a massive wedge out there. Urgent situation here. You guys better wish me luck. Sirens are off. Lightning just... God. CMH Planes Flying, wish him luck. I will be seeing y'all, hopefully tomorrow.